Hi, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today we will create our first reactive web application in our system. To do that, I'm going to create a brand new application. Click on New Application. I would like to select from scratch. Then I'm going to select Reactive Web Application. Click on Next. You can provide your application name here. I'm going to provide banking application. This is to maintain customer and their banking transaction. You can give appropriate description for that application and click on create application. So default model will be created with the same name as the application, and click on create module. Okay, the first step is we have to create entity, that is nothing but the table. To do that, I'm going to select the entity and click on add entity to database. So I'm going to specify the name of the entity as customer, and I will add few columns. First column is going to be a name, phone number, email, address, city, state, zip, communication preference. You can also add any other related details to the customer entity. Next, I would go to interface and I am going to select the main flow, and I just drag and drop newly created entity. In this case, it is going to be a customer table. So by default, based upon the entity, Outsystem is going to create screen for me. Okay, it is ready now. We can go back to interface and we will see our screen. The first screen is going to be a list view, something like this, customer screen. And the second screen looks like something like this. This is to add a new customer or edit existing customer. Let's quickly test this. Before that, we need to publish our changes to the server. This is a quick deployment. So it is publishing our application to the server. You can see the status in this window. Uploading it is done, compiling is done, deployment is done, and now we can test our application. So to do that, I'm going to click on open our application in browser. Application gets launched here in the web application. I need to log in. So I don't have any data to display in this screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add customer button here, and I'm going to enter my customer details. In this case, the first customer name is going to be Mike. phone number is 777, email is mike@yahoo.com, address is going to be 123 C Rock Street, Tustin, California, and zip code is going to be 5-digit number. Communication preference, I would say phone, and click on save. So record gets added to the database, and it has been displayed correctly in the customer grid screen. Let's add one more record here. I'm going to provide name as Kathy. Phone number is going to be 454545. Email is going to be c@gmail.com, and address is going to be 123 Main Street. City is going to be Austin. State is going to be Texas. Zip code is going to be 123 234. Communication preference is going to be email. Click on save. Record gets added and it has been displayed correctly in the grid format. You do have the option here to sort by name, ascending order, or the descending order, same way other columns as well. You can order accordingly. Also, you have the option here to search with name. You can see only the mic record has been displayed. And also, if you want to update any customer, what you need to do is you just click on the name here. It takes you to the edit customer screen, and you can edit their information. In this case, I'm going to update the new phone number 8888 instead of 777. It was 777. So click on save. The phone number has been updated correctly. That's all for this video.